the difficulty yama relationship in the now. Look, I understand ukuthi the relationship between man and woman is transactional or transactional. Is that right? Yes, it's a give and take. As a guy, Tina, we are builders, we are fixers, we are not build the legacy, hand over to the next generation. So for me, now fertility, it's very important. I've been meeting people, throughout, and some of them, we told Uguti, I can't, And in the now, my target will be below 35 because I gotta have a boy, boy children, or boy child, or go IVF, either or. I'm not gonna quit now. I meet people, different people, woman 28, 29, matured, good. I understand, good. It's a give and take. You must support a relationship, kakhulu ngemali. But women, I don't know, is it being, outspoken, assertive? Hey man, in the now. Yeah, they're just blunt, brazen. It can't be that I meet you now. In the afternoon, 4 hours later, or tomorrow morning, you don't have rent money to pay for your townhouse. It can't be. Or monomntwana, bundle of joy. Uyakolota. Good December. Akatholanga i-report. I understand ukuthi money will change hands, but don't make it so obvious, man. Don't make it so obvious. Ukuthi man, when uzela imali, yazi umuntu mangakuthandi. Umuzwa kancane kancane. Awunamali yani? Awunamali yaloku. Awunamali yani? Ngicela imali yamatayere, ngicela imali yinwele. Yabona? Hayi mfethu kancane kancane. And women, who are strategic, feminine, soft, you just give them money naturally. Unlike these ones who are masculine, fighting you for everything, arguing. Yeah, they make a relationship even so hard. I know ultimately it's important. It's like these women, abanama problems. They are beautiful women with humongous problems, deeper, bigger problems. They've got problems for days, Baba. Beautiful women. Many of them, they've got problems for days. Umuntu wakhona uphathwa izinto ezingaphathwa abantu. Uphethwe isipono, her palms are sore, amathanga mfethu ayagodola, uphethwe intamo, ugogo wakhe ushonile manje uyamphupha kumele ayothwasa. Hey, umama wakhe, akamfuni. There's another one engahlangana naye. She's got problems. Her mom doesn't want her because her mom is colored and then she was impregnated by a black guy, so therefore they discriminate in the family. At work, she's got a problem with the manager, senior management, the junior staff, problematic. Church, the pastor wants to, sexually, take advantage of her. Problem. She's got problem. Umntana khona nomuthi mfethu, umshange video call, umthola hleli so. Yo. Uthi baby yini atheshi mfethu. Hayi sothini emhlabeni. Uyozubuze mfethu. Ukubeka kule position ukuthi uzubuze ukuthi yini. Athi hayi kuzolunga. Ubona post eBible verse, inyembezi ziyosulwa. Yeke nabantu abanama problems mfethu. Uphathwa na izinto ezingaphathwa abantu. Ngaze ngamtshela omunye ngathi hayi. Uphethwe na intamo, mosathi intamo sekaphethwe indlebe. Uphethwe ipotris, even the calf, baby daddy, the kid, kumele change name, umntwana akafuni butter, ufuna jam. Hey bafethu kunabantu abanama problems. There are people mfethu, they've got problems for days, especially these beautiful women. They got problems. Nini, hey, she wanted an operation, things didn't go as planned. Njenje and mfethu kunama problems. From the father's side, Galiwa, she was supposed to inherit something, but she ended up not inheriting. You must step in and assist, get a lawyer. Kuthi lo mntana lona mfethu unama legal problems, unama family problems, baby daddy problems, unama physical, emotional problems. Nini mfethu umuntu wakhona. Makafona nje yena, babe, I need a favor, babe, amatao noma uthi ushaya inkawuza after rap 3000 yemfethu nama-problems mari makaposta la uyajiva. I'm not saying ukuthi mfethu we must look like our problems, but it can't be good when you've got these multiple problems, billionaire problems, but your social media page, it's showing something else. You're always drinking with friends, having fun, singing and dancing. It means someone is a fool here. Someone is being conned. Actually, Americans are finessed. There are people with problems. But yeah, it's understandable. For me, now, if I lower my age, you're going to be expected to pay my transport, grocery, allowance, because you lower the age. And those people good at age, those things matter to them. Nails, hair, it's not much, but sometimes it's the principle. It mustn't be within every 2 minutes. Don't you have money? 2 minutes. Just give me a boy swing, man. Give me swing. Ngayiswing kancane. It can't be nje waya wena. Yabo, hayi kufuneka imali. Hey, esikolweni. Omunye bekanjalo. Noma thola ithikithi. Babe, I just got a ticket. Traffic fine. Hawu, I must step in. Imoto bayayithowa nakhona. Hayi ngeke bafethu. Ngeke kunabantu abanama-problems bafethu. Ama-problems angapheli. Saba nokumfonela umuntu okhona. Saba nokumfonela mfethu. Baby daddy problems. And ama-problems wakhe wonke afuna imali. Amanye 90% axawulwe uye. Wrong decisions. And she's not abstaining from wrong decisions. She's still making more wrong decisions. It means if you are in her life, you're fucked. You're fucked. Kunabantu abanama-problems. Abantu abanama-problems. Beautiful. Beautiful souls. But problems. Nini mfethu. Ibunu zibuhlungu. Yeah.